Hello, welcome back to a brand new video. It rained this morning, so I'm really happy that I don't have to water the garden today because it's just been extremely hot. It's been in the triple digits pretty much all week, and today's actually really gloomy. I didn't expect it to rain today, actually. I didn't see it in the forecast. But you guys already know the routine. I am heading off to work. Happy Friday. Lucine left about a week ago. We had a great time together here. Well, at least I did. I don't know about you, Lucine. Did you have a good time? She said she did. So I'm just gonna take her word for it. I didn't really vlog as much with her. It's just, I feel like 2 weeks go by so fast. It honestly felt like she wasn't here because it happened so quick. You know, going to work makes time go by faster, and just having the evenings and the weekends with her didn't feel like enough time. But hopefully I'll see you during the holidays, fingers crossed. What'd you guys think of the World Cup finale? The last two games were intense. France versus England, that was such a good game. I felt like that was the finale. And then Spain and Argentina, it dragged out way too long. But I was rooting for Spain the whole time, and I'm so happy they won. Very happy, because Argentina played dirty, okay? You can't tell me otherwise. They were playing dirty. Like, they were kicking and hitting and pulling, and oh my god, that one player that had a red card, he deserved it. He deserved it. It felt a little sad when the World Cup ended because we were just so invested. Like, I've never watched so much soccer or football in my life. I watched so many games this time around. I didn't watch the 2022 World Cup, but I did watch the 2018 with Alexander back then. But this year we were just like really committed watching all these games, and I'm just like, well, what am I doing with my life now that it's over? Until next time, 2030. How's summer treating you? Funny enough, I really want to go swimming. So my friend Ellen and I planned a swimming day in a week, but then she just got an email from her apartment complex saying that their pool is closed due to some kind of health inspection going on, and I don't think it's going to be open by then. So I'm just like, well, there goes my only day of swimming during the summer. And the reason why I haven't gone swimming is because at my mom's new development, they changed the way you access the pool. You don't have a code, you have to sign into their portal, and I think like put in your information, and it gives you the access code on your phone, and that's how you enter the pool now. And my mom, I don't know, it's too confusing, but my mom, I don't think she even knows her like portal account information, and she's not really tech savvy. Sorry, Mom. I try helping her, but I don't know. It's just, I just haven't been to the pool. I need at least one pool day before October hits. Hopefully Ellen's pool inspection at her place is okay, and we can plan it maybe like the end of August. Anyhow, I gotta get to work now. Let's get this work shift done and over with, and I'll see you guys afterwards. I'm just now leaving work. It is 3 o'clock. I usually don't stay this late on a Friday, but my boss and I were just so busy with this PowerPoint. It took us 90 minutes to do it. I'm tired. But luckily I stepped out for a long lunch, and I swung by Trader Joe's to get some groceries and then head back home for a little bit. But now I'm officially leaving. Officially out of the office. I'm gonna head home. I'm going to pick up Alexander, and we're going to a new H.E.B to get more groceries, because you know, not every grocery has what you need. You know, you get a little bit of Whole Foods, you get a little bit of Costco, Trader Joe's, H.E.B. So we're gonna go there. It's a brand new one that just opened up 2 days ago, so I don't know if it's gonna be busy or not. We'll find out. I also want to get a cake for Christine, because I'm actually going to go have brunch with her tomorrow to celebrate her late birthday. But also, she got engaged too. She went to Hawaii with her family and her boyfriend, and he popped the question there. And so now it's like a happy birthday but also happy engagement brunch, because I want to get her a little cake, and I want it to say like happy engagement. I got her a little gift as well, and a little cute engagement card. And then the brunch is for her birthday. That's her gift, is me getting brunch for her, but everything else is for her engagement, you know? Like, I'm so excited. Ah! Ooh, we got prime parking, baby, at H.E.B. All right, let's go inside and check it out. You can instantly smell the Texas barbecue as soon as you walk out of the car. It's like every other H.E.B, but it just feels nicer because it's brand new. Like, everything is so clean. Everything's so nice and clean. It smells new. I like it. Yes, it's the mango one. We really like the H.E.B's mango limeade. It's so good and refreshing. The passion fruit one is really good too. Ooh, I like this little section where they put all the grapes and berries. This is new. I really like the way it looks here. Let's get some grapes. These look good. We are back home from H.E.B. It was a good run. Kind of crowded, but it was to be expected. They just opened up a couple of days ago. I showered and now I am going to do my skincare. It's 5:40. It's really early still, but oh my god, I forgot to tell you guys. I got a really cute cake for Christine. It's super cute. It's a vanilla cake with strawberry icing. While we were driving home, some idiot driver was, I swear, like, Texas drivers are the worst. There's this person riding my ass, okay? And then they decide to switch over and cut me and then slam on their brakes so hard that I have to slam on my brakes. So everything in the car just like went forward. And so the cake got a little smushed. I'm a little bit sad, but it's still intact and it still looks cute. It's just a couple of fruits have fallen and some of the buttercream icing, you know, came off. But I won't show you guys because it's just, I'm so annoyed with that driver. Pissed me off. But anyway, I got her a cake. I still need to figure out what to wear. I might figure that out later tonight or tomorrow after I get ready. I did get a couple of new skincare products. As you guys know from the last couple of vlogs ago, I got the Ilyun moisturizer. I haven't tried it yet because I'm still trying to finish up my Rovictin. But I did get a new toner. I just applied this on. It's the Pine Calming Cica Toner. I've been using these new products for the past week now. And yeah, I just love Korean skincare products. They're amazing. So that's the toner that I just applied. It has a very, very, very subtle vinegar smell. It's not bad, you know. It's just a subtle whiff of the vinegar smell. And then I got a new serum. Lucini actually helped me pick this one out because I was sampling different serums at Miss A. And this one just felt so nice on the skin. The brand is called Fully. I got their green tomato serum. It's 100% vegan. It contains 67% of green tomato, and it's pore refining and yeah, vegan formula. And I love the little packaging. I just love it. It's so cute. My skin has been liking these new products. As you guys know, I have really sensitive skin. This is the one you guys saw last time with Lucine in the last vlog. I also got their vegan. Is this the same brand? No, this is not the same brand. It's the vegan collagen eye serum. Look, see that you just pump it and apply it. Oh my god, this feels amazing. This is my first time using it. So the toner and the serum I have been using for the past week. I just opened this one up. Ooh, that feels amazing. Oh my goodness. I just love that little applicator. Reminds me of my concealer. So yeah, you just push this part down and it pumps out the product and then you roll. And then it says to make sure to wipe it. So I'm gonna use a little cotton pad to wipe the tip off. The little tippy tip. You store it. Oh, that feels so nice and cooling. Ooh. I gotta do a pile of laundry over there. I gotta fold that and put it away. I wanna paint my nails because I cut them all off and now they're just looking like little mini sausages. Why am I sweating just doing the laundry? Oh my goodness. Okay, I found the color. I feel like this is always my go-to color when I paint my nails at home. It's the OPI 2 Can Do It If You Try. I think it's such a fun summery color and it applies on so nicely. So I'm gonna paint my nails. I feel like I've just been unmotivated to vlog because I only have the weekends to do it. And I'm like, oh, what can I vlog about? But I do want y'all's input. So like if there's anything you guys want me to do or want to see more of, if you guys are even interested, just let me know, because I do enjoy vlogging, but I know it can be really repetitive. Like my schedule is really repetitive and I do have a structured schedule and I like that. I try to, you know, take you guys along whenever I do have something fun on the weekends or if, you know, we're traveling and stuff. But if you guys enjoy just me sitting here yapping and just chatting with you guys, let me know. Or if you guys don't like that, let me know. Okay, here are the nails. Nothing special. Just to look more put together for the next couple weeks until my nails grow back out and I can get them done again. But yeah, at least it has some color on there. Did I tell you guys that the rack that my brother installed in the closet came down, and that's why I have my dresses in here? Completely fell off of the wall, I think a couple months ago. And so now I have to move my dresses into the game room closet, which is fine. I just kind of forget about my dresses when it's in here. But let's see, what screams brunch, you know? I've already worn this on 4th of July weekend. I wore this to Alexa's wedding, court wedding. No. I know it's gonna be really hot. So maybe something like a midi dress. Like I haven't worn this dress in almost 3 years. The only time I wore this was in Barcelona. So maybe, no, I don't know. It's too bright. I feel like this color is not a color for me. But I do like this dress. I got this from Target, by the way. This dress I got from Target as well. And the last time I wore this was also in Barcelona. This khaki color washes me out. It does not look good on me, but this dress makes your boobs look really good, okay? I just wish I picked a different color. I don't know why I got this freaking color. No. I don't really have a lot of options to pick. Thinking about maybe wearing a white dress. I mean, because we're both, you know, engaged now. We're future brides. Should I wear a white dress? Should I wear this dress? I don't know. Oh, I'm having a hard time, you guys. Ooh, maybe I can wear this dress. I'm like pulling out all the dresses that I wore in Spain. I'm not really smart doing this with my nails drying, but yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. All right, it is now the next day. My hair just looks so gross today. Like out of all days I want to look pretty, my hair looks like this. It's like I didn't do anything with my hair. This is how I go to work all the time. I put dry shampoo on and it just looks so oily. I'm not feeling my hair today, whatever. I decided to wear the white dress to brunch. She's wearing a white floral dress, so I kind of want to match with her. Little matchy. And then Tory Burch bag. Need to go get the cake out of the fridge. Got her a cute little engagement card and her little gift. It's very small, so hopefully she likes it. But we're gonna get going now, so I'll see you guys at the brunch place. At all really, because wow, the restaurant was extremely busy and very loud. It was actually really hard for us to talk to each other and hear each other. Even the server, she was like, I'm sorry, I'm getting really close into your space, but that's the only way I can take your order and hear you because it's that loud. So that's why I didn't vlog anything. I just vlogged a little bit of the food, but it was good. It was a good restaurant. It's a cute little place. The restaurant is called Two Hands. I think it's a Australian brunch place, and they have a couple of locations, but we went to the one in Uptown. So it was nice. And then we were like, let's go somewhere more quiet and get some dessert and we can actually talk and hear ourselves. So we went to Salt and Straw and just stood there for like a little over an hour and a half, just standing there talking. They didn't have any tables at Salt and Straw, so we were just standing around eating our ice cream and just catching up some more because there was a lot of life updates and I just wanted to hear all about her trip to Hawaii and like how he proposed. And she showed me their engagement photos and it was just so beautiful. I'm just super happy for her and excited for them. And I just love that I can talk about wedding stuff with my girls. So, lots of traffic in Dallas. I don't really go into the city, and especially like near Uptown, downtown, North Park area, it just gets so crowded. And plus I get a little PTSD because that's where my car accident happened 3 years ago. So I always get a little nervous driving around that area every time. But anyway, I'm back home. This morning I was sweeping and vacuuming the house and I noticed one of the boys peed on our laundry hamper. And so it's like, it was a little bit of pee. I think somebody marked their territory. I don't know. I think it was Menace, because when I confronted them both, I'm like, who peed on the hamper? Menace looked so guilty. He kind of like ran away and came back. Newman just stood there wagging his tail all happy because he was like, I didn't do it. So I have a feeling it was Menace. I had to take out the laundry that's inside and throw it in the washer, and then I brought this outside and hosed it down really well, and then the sun dried it up. So I just brought it back and I just put the load into the dryer. So that's why you guys are hearing the dryer doing its thing in the back. Alexander actually picked up a work shift today, so he won't be home for another few hours. So I'm just chilling. I'm going to actually eat this donut from H.E.B. Alexander got this. He got 2 of these. He was like, eat the other donut. I'm like, okay. I have this one little mosquito just flying around the kitchen. I can't freaking kill it. It's been in the house for the past few days. I don't really have anything else going on. I'm gonna go take a shower, relax in bed, and just enjoy the rest of my weekend. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.